channel, and welcome back to another Tuesday quick and easy video. Today I have a treat for you guys, pun intended, totally. Today I'm going to be making cake batter cheesecake dessert cups, and today's video is sponsored by Deluxe Catering Supplies, who provided these cute little dessert cups that you can use for any occasions. You can use them for weddings, bridal shower, baby showers, birthday parties, for pretty much any occasion. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I'm going to start by crumbling my golden Oreo cookies inside my NutriBullet. If you don't have a bullet or a food processor, you can always use a bag, a Ziploc bag, and you just go to town, okay? Very easy. All right, so I'm just going to, oops, I need this. I need to cover this up first. And then I'm just going to So you're gonna crumble it up into fine little pieces as it is right here. And if you have little chunks like you see in here, don't worry about it. You can always use a fork to mix it up, okay? Now you're going to place your crumbs inside a bowl. Next, you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of butter. And then go ahead and mix together. This smells so good, and this is gonna be so yummy at the bottom of your cup. Now I'm going to set this to the side so I can prepare my cake batter cheesecake filling. Next, I'm going to be mixing 12 ounces of whipped cream cheese and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. To gradually mix my cake mix and powdered sugar. Now I'm going to mix in 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Okay, so make sure to start really slow because this will be all over the place, and I am such a pro at making a mess, so. And just like that, it's done. Very easy. So now to the fun part. Well, actually everything has been very fun and yummy. I've been licking my fingers the whole time. Anyway, I'm going to be using Deluxe's 2-ounce cups. They actually sent me 5 ounce and 3 ounces and 2 ounces, and I decided to use the 2 ounce. So I'm going to go ahead and place the crumbs inside my cup, and then I'm going to press them to the bottom. That's nice and flat there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the filling. And I'm using a piping bag with a tip. You don't have to use this if you don't have one. You can, like I said earlier, you can only use a Ziploc bag. That works just as well. Just going to press it in there. Trying to be cute. All right, and then I'm going to add some sprinkles. And a cherry on top, literally. Yes, so pretty. Okay guys, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy my quick and easy recipe for cake batter cheesecake dessert cups. This is going to look very cute at any birthday party, so make sure to give me a thumbs up and comment and let me know if you think you'll be using this recipe for your next party. And I also have a 10% discount code for you guys in my description box, so make sure to check that out in case you want to order any of these cute little cups from Deluxe. All right, guys, until next time, bye.